So Twitch, what's up YouTube? What's up Lucas? What's up Brogan? What's up Dion? Did I trade NFP? No. Looking for longs on NQ right now. It's about a pump. I feel it. Yeah, I mean, if we get this entry, I'm definitely hopping in. What's up, Gerardo? Yo, what's up, YouTube, bro? I learned this trade in the Discord last night. Dude, you guys need to see this shit, bro. It was probably the most criminal. I think it's the worst trade I've ever been in my entire life. Okay, so let me find it. So we entered right here. I think we're on the 5 minute. Yep. We entered right. Believe it was. I mean, I have a screenshot of it. Let me just put that on the. Look at this shit. By the way, undefeated week so far. Undefeated week. Ready? Let me just go to NQ real quick so I need to watch this. POV, you're having an undefeated week. POV, you're absolutely balling. POV, you're rolling. You alert a gold trade. Ready? And bro, that was only 5 minutes. That means that trade literally was about like 2 fucking hours. We were a tick off originally. Comes back down, rejects off our break even. I'm like, all right, bet. Looks good. Looks about to come back up. We'll just tap it. We'll get out, move on. Like 3 ticks short. Comes back down. I'm like, all right, you know, maybe we'll just see what happens here. Maybe it's going to take a little longer. This candle buys all the way up. 1 tick off again. Makes it equal high. Drops. Buys up off of this low. Buys up again. I'm like, surely this is going to hit. 2 ticks short. Falls off. Ready for this? Stops right. This is where I got stopped out. Right here. Rejects off of that. Flies, bro. Like, dude. Just ruined my week. But, you know. Hate to see it for real, bro. Yeah, I mean, it's Friday. I shouldn't even be trading, but, you know. Yeah, I mean, it's Friday. I shouldn't even. I'm just, Just want to see some buys here. If we can see this retrace back up and close above this zone, we'll be entering longs here. This is like a 50-point stop, I believe, so we'll probably be half size if we do get in on it. Looks like a really good trade. Really, really solid. We don't have any news for the rest of the day, so. Took a $4 short, went on NQ at the end of the day. Or at open, done for the day. Let's go, bro. Good shit. But yeah, so you have taken one loss this week, which sucks, but near perfect week. So I'm not mad, but it's just like, damn, bro. What could have been? Do you guys watch the game last night? I kind of did. When it got delayed, I just kind of stopped watching it. Might get invalidated if we close below this. Bro, I lost my accounts today, bro. That Drake candle a few minutes ago. Which one? I don't see a Drake candle. On NQ? Maybe this one? I love what we call it a fucking Drake candle, bro. I was really bullish on the gold after this consolidation. I wanted to get in, but I didn't want to fucking have an 8-point stop, so I didn't. We're gonna trace this because go for the scalp. Ugh. Let's see, I'm gonna look for longs off of this. 1 minute left on this. If we do invalidate this, I will probably be done with NQ. On 15 second, I was size with 2 cons and it dropped like 50 points. Oh shit. You been trading the 15 second, bro? I have a little bit too. I actually like it a lot. This shadow supply is gonna get invalidated for sure. After I took a payout, at least. Hey, bro, you do what you had to do. Happens, bro. I promise you, it happens. Just how the game goes, bro. Ooh, come on. If we hold this. Come on, NQ. Stay alive. 6 seconds. Okay, we're alive. Barely. Barely alive. I feel like just watching some YouTube right now, bro.
Was kind of an unimpressive kind of second half adjustment for the Eagles offensive.
If you guys liked the last video, then you'll love this one, as we're back again on Hustler Casino Live in beautiful Los Angeles, California. Just like yesterday, I'm buying in for another $10,000 of my own money, but the stakes are much higher. We're battling some of the most action players in...
I probably shouldn't be watching a poker stream while I'm trading. It's alright, bro. It's alright. Bro, dollar is just falling like crazy. Gold looks super bullish right now. What's the I don't. Wait, we do have is that an entry? No, no entry. Yo, my model's been fucking cooking though. Good morning, Mr. What's up, Simon? It's so choppy. Every time I take longs, it dumps, bro. Yeah. Hey, macro flow. You guys know, if you are in the Discord, we've been talking about this new model that I created. You know, I'm not gonna take credit for this because you know, this did not rip just because of this entry. But you guys see, we obviously would have entered right here if we took this T1 long. Fucking ginormous pump. This candle also is an entry candle, but it's just a giant one. You'd be slightly up on this, so that's good to see too. But looks like 2 more dubs coming out of the macro flow model right now, which is super fire. We're just ripping up now, so hopefully we can maybe get an entry with that. I will say, if this does hold and we break back up, I could really, really, really like some longs. Statistically, I've done pretty much better when we actually break the low and then actually buy back up. So it's fighting for its life. I don't think it's going to do it, but we might just have to jump on gold and just we're at all-time highs right now. Just try and get a point or two on it. Come on, NQ. Stay alive. 20 seconds. If this gets underneath it, we're just going to scalp gold. That's all we're going to do. There were 5 followers off 1,000. Let's go. Dude, I can't wait to watch football this weekend, bro. Oh, I'm going to be so hyped. Okay. Shadow supply setup just got invalidated. Going to look for gold longs. That's the meta right now. Okay. Now the problem is we need to see a pullback. Hopefully we do get it. I would love to see us retrace into this bottom wick right here and play a trade off of that. If we see buys off of this, I will gladly jump in. Problem is, once again, we are at all-time highs, so gonna be a little tricky. But dude, my neck hurts so bad. Sorry, I'm so tired, bro. I gotta stop staying up so late.
Plus, you won't want to miss this last hand of the night where we get into one of the biggest decisions of my life against Nick Airball, all in for a $47,000 pot with just one pair.
And look at this, Wolfgang, 1.65 million subscribers on YouTube. He puts out some good content, he can play some poker, and he's a cool dude.
In the first hand, the action limps around 7 ways for $50, giving me top pair on a king 6-5 2 spades board. Adi bets out for $200, and Dr. H and myself both put in the call, bringing us off to the turn, which gives me 3 of a kind on the king of diamonds. Adi continues to bet now for $600, and I debate going for a raise, but I decide just to call, bringing us off to the 10 of spades river in a $2,200 pot.
Ooh, okay. All right, lock in. This could be our point. This could be our point right here. I hate trading. This shit hurts. Come on, bro. Hindsight's 2020, man. Look, anything that you do, you are responsible for. Aaron, you are a trader. This is something that, you know, unfortunately, there's no one to really blame when you do something stupid. You know, so sometimes you just got to take the credit for the bad stuff, you know, just as much as you get all the credit for the good stuff. But for me, I mean, it's just whenever I'm taking a trade, whenever I'm doing something like this, like it's something I believe in, it's something I really strive for. And, you know, sometimes I do extend my arm out a little bit to a little bit more risk and a little bit more unsafe trades like this, for example. This is going to be probably like a B setup. I'm going to take it. I'm responsible for the loss. If it loses, just move forward. I had an undefeated week before yesterday, or before last night, on a trade where I think I really should have hit TP. But, regardless, I took a good trade. It was very close to hitting TP. Just like this. Let me bring it back up right here. Really good trade. Everything played out. Right as I jumped in, pretty much auto jumped to my TP. That, to me, is a win trade. Just because I didn't hit TP, I was a tick off. I saw exactly what I want to see out of it. On top of that, again, I say this a lot, running back, 3 things I need to see in the trade that I get into, okay? Good entry, obviously. I want to see buys in this scenario, in a bullish scenario. I want to see buys in my drawdown. By the way, I'm not in this trade right now. Buys inside of my drawdown. So in this red area, I want to see price buying up because I believe it's supposed to buy up there. You guys, obviously, that did happen. Checked off the box, okay? Good entry, check. I know I don't have it shown on here, but it was a good entry. Obviously, you see by the price action. Good entry, buy in my drawdown, and I want to see price rise to my take profit, in a sense. I want to see buying in my profit area, I guess we can just call it. And we got that. We got all of those multiple times, which if you get that multiple times in the trade, super solid, bro. Looking back at it, everything we wanted to see happen, just we were a tick off, bro. Just sometimes it's how it goes. So hopefully we can just get all that bad juju out of here and just jump in this gold trade. If we close above this, I will be looking for longs here. If we close above this green zone. Even if we close underneath it, if we close above this EMA, I don't mind it. Just got to see what the dollar is doing right now. Dollar is looking pretty bullish right now, though. That is one issue. But if we see this push up, we won't have a problem leaning towards it. 3-minute looks pretty solid, too. So we'd have a pretty bullish 2-minute and a 3-minute candle close there. We're seeing the dollar reject off of its previous low. So hopefully we can see something pretty good here. NQ still just dropping. It's not a big deal for me. I'm not interested in NQ anymore, to be honest. 33 seconds left. Looks pretty good right now on the 3-minute. 2-minute looks pretty mid. Don't think we're going to get an entry off of this candle, but at least we're seeing some sort of collection of buys. It's technically an entry above right here, but it's only like a point. It's pretty risky, so don't think we will partake. No entry right there. But we're closer. We're closer. NQ is just falling. Buying into this low, though. I know this low day, it looks like it's gonna be pretty strong. I'm just not gonna risk it. Gold's way more bullish right now. I like this P out of gold. I would love to see us hit this previous high right here. Don't know if we'll get that low, but if we start to see some buys here, we will jump in. Looks like we're starting to see a little bit. Pretty much a close above this green zone gives me an entry. A bullish candle close here in general gives me an entry. TP would probably be at this high, which would be, I don't even know if I'd run it up to that high. It's a lot of points. 4.5 would be legendary. I'm doing some pretty crazy shit this week, man. You guys do anything fun this weekend? I'm just gonna watch football, bro. I just want to stay home and just watch football. I don't want to do anything else, to be real with you. That's just my style, though, bro. I'm a homebody. Dollar. Might be jumping in. We're going to wait for this 5-minute candle close. In 55 seconds, we're going to see what this 5-minute candle close is like. Then we'll make our decision. 6-7 weekend. All right. I guess it actually is. I don't think I'll ever be able to say those two numbers consecutively without thinking about that for the rest of my life. For the rest of my adult life. Isn't that crazy to think about? Like, I genuinely don't think I'll ever be able to say those words and not think of this shit, even when I'm 50 years old.
And the action goes check, check. I'm going to end up beating a6 offsuit and taking down $1,300 of profit in my very first hand. In this second hand, Adi raises it up to $300 from under the gun, and Francisco and Dr. H put in the call. I decide to call as well. I want to be active on the stream and give you guys a lot of hands to see, so I put in the call.
All right, I'm about to jump in longs here. 2.2 stop on this, pushing it up to hive day. I'm in at 36498. $3,649.8. Stop loss is 2.2 points. This is kind of ripping.
I gotta bring it anytime and however you want it. Late at night and I can't sleep, I'm staying up, I'm tossing, turning. That's them bodies from my temple creeping on me. That's from me cutting them off and being home all by my lonely. Bricks and bells, I prefer that chopper. It's gonna kiss you and won't never tell. I can cook that dope just like a worker, you can XBL. Looking, I can eyeball, I don't talk loud, I don't need a scale. Plenty money, but I'm still thugging. This the richest hell. Get it and bring it, I flip it, you know how I get it. I know some hard levels. I can speak that word and talk that word. I leave it scarred and pale. Pressure, I got silence on that semi, bust your head for real. Pressure, give me head and then I flip or get that dick for real. Ballin', my niggas hauling, niggas be talking and I catch them walking. I do this often, fuck it, I off them. Know that I got them, you know I'ma stalk them. Fuck his fam, my pick is coffin. Catch you bad, bitch, I doubt it. I got youngins wanna off them. All this smoke, it got me coughing. Max 11, I be stepping, bitch, I'm reckless. I'm dumb, catch you resting in your sections with that western. You slump, I got bro on top and tell through a message. We come, we handguns with them drums.
I'm not saying anything. I'm not saying anything until I hit TP.
I go murder with them glizzies. I got murder on my tension. I got black on top my lenses. I got straps inside that Bentley. You won't play, I make you feel it. Come your way, make sure you get it. Bitch, I trap out like Griselda. Hollows, I mail on. Mojo with my silly. Police walking, I won't tell on. Talking on my silly with this bitch who came from heaven. Stutter in my presses. I got in my man.
I gotta bring it.
Anytime and however you want it.
Late at night and I can't sleep. I'm staying up. I'm tossing, turning. That's what I'm cutting them off and being home all by my lonely. Bricks and bells, I prefer that chopper. It's gonna kiss you, I won't never tell. Yo, Steph, I'm eligible for 5,800 right now in payouts. Gonna take it this weekend and my birthday's tomorrow. Well, happy fucking birthday. It seems like you already got yourself a little early present with fucking $5,800, huh? Damn, bro. You're actually such. I'm gonna, dude. I need to do like an actual fucking. I need to like interview you, bro. I'm so fucking happy for you, man. Genuinely. Look at you, man. So proud. Oh. Oh, word. Word. Okay. All right. All right. All right. All right. All right. Cool. Wow. Wow. That's all I'm going to say. Wow. 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 Did that just happen? Did that just actually happen? I think it did. I think it just happened. Did that just happen? I think it did. I think it did just happen. Did that just happen? Did that just happen? Dead ass. Bro, what the fuck? These last 2 trades I've taken on gold are just so like. CRV, thank you for the sub, bro. We gotta go play poker, bro. Dude, what the fuck, man? Another one of these trades, bro. Oh, super good entry. Popped right up off our entry. Ripped, actually. It genuinely ripped. Just did not. Just dropped out of nowhere. Just dropped. I mean, that's. Like, look, like, I mean, bro, it was a really good trade. Sweet, man. Just fucking fantastic. Started playing 2 weeks ago. Bro, I love poker. I've been playing a lot. I don't like cash games, though, bro. I just do tournaments and shit. But. Oh, that's so annoying, guys, dude. It was a really good trade. I mean, you guys saw we just basically almost insta-hit TP. And then we just decided to drop like a fucking fly. I play on a WTP online. The online tournaments are pretty fire there. Yeah, they have a lot of tournaments that are really fun. Like you play, like, there's like $33 buy-ins, $100 buy-ins, and you know, winner gets like top 20 gets like $500. Winner gets like fucking 5x. I think I finished like I played yesterday and won, and I got like 9th place out of like 300 people and made a little bit. But dude, what the hell, man? Another just super solid trade, just completely just shat off the fucking face of the universe. So I'm probably done for today. We gave it a shot. Really good trade on a Friday. Just did not come through in the slightest at all. But you know, just looking forward. I'm not really, you know, not gonna hold it to some super high accountability thing. But you know, just unfortunate that shit just happened. So. That's really it for me, boys. I really appreciate you guys being here. Seriously, it means a lot. I know it wasn't to the highest standards, but I'm taking a free game so these payouts are coming in consistently. Well, it looks like they're on pretty good pace, bro. I'm honestly not going to trade on Fridays anymore. I always have my worst losses on Friday. It's a really bad look to trade on a Friday. Unless you're down on the week, I really don't recommend trading on a Friday. I just usually decide to do it sometimes whenever I want to, and I'm just feeling it. You know, we had pretty good news come out this morning, and just didn't play out. But we gave it a shot. That's all that matters. We took a good trade. Can't do anything else. So hopefully you guys have a good weekend, man. You guys need anything, let me know. I'll be in the Discord. I got a banger YouTube video dropping today. Hopefully, I tell my girlfriend how to trade, and I try to get her to pass a funded account. So we'll see how that goes. Ooh.